Science!
Today, we will be doing a super fun sink or float experiment.
Yay!
So, do you want to have some fun experimenting with us?
Yes!
What are we waiting for? Let's get started! For this amazing science experiment, you will need a container to do the experiment in. We are using a bucket. You will also need drinking straws, jelly powder, any color and flavor of your choice, some waterproof toys such as sharks, balls, bath toys, other toys like cars, dinosaurs, and Lego. You will also need some household items such as utensils. We've got spoons and keys. And lastly, some water. So let's get experimenting. Step 1. Place water in your container. Then add the jelly powder for some coloring and the delicious smell. And mix. Step 2. Start adding the objects into the water, one at a time. Do you think the dinosaurs will float or sink?
I think it will float. I think the car will sink. I think the keys will float.
Oh no! The keys sank! Will the shark sink or float?
I think it will float. The ball will float too.
Will the spoons float or sink?
I think it will sink.
What about the bath toys and Lego?
I think it will float. What are your favorite toys?
Let us know in the comments below. Step 3. Now take the drinking straws and blow into the water. See if the floating items will move around. So why do you think these items are moving forward when you blow them?
Because the water is pushing it.
That's right. So when you blow air through the straw, it allows the floating items forward. This is called kinetic energy.
That was so much fun, Mommy. I love science.
Yes, it was super fun. This is a great experiment to learn about science. Thank you for watching. Oh, and remember to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye, future scientists.